What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and I'm just cold as shit. So I got this long sleeve. But what's good? It's your boy Little Roy. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button as well as like this video, comment. I respond to all my comments. Yeah. But yeah, let's get right into it. You see the title. I know these sneakers came out like some places it came out early, some places it delayed, but I hit on the sneakers app. I think I still got the picture of the got 'em. If I do, then I'll just post it right here. Boom. Or wherever I post it. But yeah, that's it for me. Follow me on Instagram. Check out the main channel. Those links will be down below in the description. So let's get right into it. So off rip, let me tell you, I could have had 2 pairs of these shoes. I hit a GS size on the Flex app like a couple weeks back, but due to me being at work, I was still not setting alarms because at my job I can't really be on my phone, so like I missed it. You know, on the Flex app when you got a certain time to confirm if you won or not. I didn't know if I won because of course Flex say they're gonna email you when you have notifications on. They don't, so that's a lie. But by the time I checked the Flex app on my main account on Flex, it said I missed it. So I missed the GS size, but I guess it wasn't meant to be. But until then, I hit on sneakers, a men's size. I tried to go, of course, with my GS. The reason why I'm mad is because, you know, Flex, a dunk, that would have been points on my account, but it's all good. Size 9. Regular dunk box, orange and white, red and white, whatever you want to call it. The Georgetown Nike Dunk Lows right here in the flesh. Size 9. If you wear 9, hit your boy up. I could fit this because I'm an 8.5, 9.5, whatever it is. But yeah. Let me get it both out to get the thumbnail. Oh shoot, the box. Regular Nike paper, of course. Let's put the box right there. Let's get a quick thumbnail. Now, all the college school dunks that they've been dropping, what is your favorite dunks? Let me know in the comments if you see it. Let's do a quick thumbnail. Boom. Yeah, let me know what's your favorite college dunk they dropped. I know resale, Syracuse, St. John's, all those go for high-ass resale prices. These are the Georgetowns. I feel like they should have dropped. I feel like Nike, so intact. I guess sometimes they delay because they want to wait on sports, games, college season, and, you know, all of it. All of it at the end of the day is a business. I get it, but they dropped the Georgetown 3s like months ago. So they should have just dropped the dunks and everything else around the same time. Mind you, there's a lot of flaws on this pair. Like, so much thread. Like, look at that. Right there on the top, right here. I don't know what the hell Nike be doing. I feel like when people stitching it at the factory, they be stitching. They're like, all right, it's the lot. This is like the 100th one I did today. And they just pull it back at the end of the, like, you know, when they're about to be finished, they're like stitching. They'll be like, they'll pull it and be like, all right, here, take this, put this in the box. But there's not really much to say about this. I'm gonna sell these. By the time you're watching this video, I'm gonna sell them. Literally, I'll put a bid up or see who wants them. But size 9, Georgetown dunk lows right here. It looks like pandas from far away, like a black white, but it's literally navy blue and like a gray, like a light gray. But yeah, let me know. Did you guys go for these when it dropped the first time on the Flex or sneakers? Because they delayed it on sneakers, but they dropped it everywhere else. Let me know. I know I'm late, but not really. It just came from literally today. It came in the mail from sneakers. But let me know if you guys even like these Georgetowns. Did you pass? Did you go for it? Did you take a dub? Did you take a L? Let me know what you guys think about these. The bottom, of course, navy blue. There's no color blocking of white, so, you know, these dark color dunks don't really do good on the market, but they're okay. get me? They're cool, they're fine. Nothing too really crazy to show. But I just wanted to do a quick review for you guys. That's really it. And so I got the little orange patch. I think on both here right there. Yeah, let me know, do you guys like these or not in the comments by the time you see this or whatever the case is. I'm selling them. Literally, I'm gonna look up the price for resale right now as we speak so I could get rid of them. I do not want these in my house no longer. It's a Georgetown sneakers. I don't think really holds up its value long term. So I'm trying to get rid of these ASAP. No Rocky. That's really it. Let me know what you guys think about these. Alright, that's it for me, guys. Just a quick little review on the Georgetown Dunk Lows. It literally came in the mail today. I can show you the back of the box. It literally came in today. So, of course, on my title, I know I'll be putting unboxing, but it's more intriguing for the title. But, yeah, I'm really unboxing these pairs, and it just came in the mail. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. The next videos, I believe, should be the dunks. Some more dunks. I got 2 more dunks in the mail yesterday, but this is more older, so I'd rather film this video. Yeah, so that's it. Ladies, hit the Instagram, DM. I'm always available. Fellas, keep rocking with your boy. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Your boy Little Roy is out. And stay safe out there. It's a cold world.